Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have been inspired to do a makeup tutorial.
Hey everyone, so in this part I meant to say Viva Glam K, not Viva La K.
And she did a very similar look like this. If you guys are into just nudes, simple, everyday, of course I am always doing everyday looks. Hope you like it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video if you think others will benefit from it or if you benefited from it. So go ahead and stay tuned, and I hope you like it. Okay, see you in a little bit. I did everything. I did the foundation, concealer, primer. Let's go in order. I did the primer, concealer, foundation, contour. Now I'm baking. Oh, baking, and then my eyebrows. So I already did all that. I was just gonna do a simple wing today before we start on any shadows. So already powdered my lid. Pointed pencil brush. I'm going like this to the product, tapping off the excess. Sort of just dabbing it on there for now. And I'm just gonna blend that out. When you're blending, you want to do a light hand. So don't forget about your light hand, okay guys? Pencil liner on the top waterline. I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara. I'm gonna use again the Ofra highlighter that I got from my Ipsy Glam bag subscription. And then of course the inner corner highlight. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab some blush. Blush brush.
Can mine do that? Very interesting, but I still don't see the need. Can mine? I can't believe this. You told me you were not. That's right. Look up.
So I'm gonna go ahead and add some lip gloss by Fluid. So this is lip gloss by Fluid. So typically I put, like in order, I put lip liner first when my lips are dry before any lip gloss or matte liquid lipstick or anything. So I add the lip liner first, then like little moisturizer or chapstick or lip gloss, something that will moisturize my lips underneath the liquid matte. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the sugar cookie, melted matte sugar cookie by Too Faced. This one's a super nude melted matte. So I'm gonna, that's like the first layer I do typically. And then typically I'll like, how many times am I gonna say typically today? Anyways, but normally I do like 2 layers of a melted matte, so I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 layers. Okay, so first I like to let the first layer dry. Then go ahead and with the second layer. So there goes the simple.
Another error, Viva Glam K. Sorry.
I was so inspired when I seen her her Instagram video today, and I seen how super simple and beautiful it looked. I mean, I know I do lots of everyday looks because I am such an extra person when it comes to makeup. This is truly an everyday thing. Like, you can just conquer the world with this simple nude look. Okay, so we are ready to go and pick up my son from school. So that concludes today's tutorial, everybody. Last but not least is the Fix It Studio, your favorite setting spray. For now, this is mine. I mean, not my favorite, but I mean, no offense to Maybelline. I love, 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 and live for Maybelline, but this is not my favorite setting spray at all. The all-nighter from Urban Decay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so that concludes today's tutorial, everybody. Have a good one, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.